West is led by an outstanding quarterback, Cayden Stupak, a dual-threat quarterback. So much of the offense falls on his shoulders.
Yeah, on his shoulders, but also his eyes, because he's a Q-read quarterback. When he gets to choose when he's passing the ball, he gets to choose when he's running the ball. You should see some big things on him tonight.
Well, if it's the Warhawks quarterback's shoulder...
Come on, Cayden.
There you go. There you go.
Cayden Stupak, the senior quarterback, trying to spoil the senior night of the Falcons. 21-14 our score here on Thursday Night Lights.
Quick, quick, quick.
Come on, Cayden, you got it.
He's just a great all-around athlete, isn't he? It's fun to watch.
Just throws his right shoulder. You know, that is a Josh Allen. You're talking about 17, right? That's a Josh Allen.
Even Stupak.
Yeah, I think he got the better of Schwarzman on a hit. 6'1".
Be the hitter than the hitty.
There's no doubt. Except he's a stud. And a stud's a pretty good description.
Then,
Wins the football game. Let's look at this one. Stupak needing the 38, low on the shoulder, and with that big frame, just enough for an express windows first down to put it away. And West is Seneca West, needing all 48 minutes tonight, wins it by a 35-28